Good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine. So, today we will start our new chapter. Our chapter name is We Love Nature and our subject is English. Okay? We love nature. It is written here, no? We love nature. So, can you see this picture? What is in this picture? Sun is there, river is there, tree is there. So, it is a part of nature only. So, what is nature? The surrounding where we live is called nature. Who made natural things? You all know who made natural things? God made natural things. We didn't make trees, we didn't make plants, we didn't make fruits. We are getting everything from the nature only. So, in this picture, we can see mountain, we can see rivers, trees, no? So, who made all this? God made all this. We all are using natural things only. We are not making anything. We are not forming water. We are not forming plants. We are not forming fruits. God created plants and trees for us. Then only we are having the natural things. We just only using the natural things. Mountains. Who made mountains? God made the mountains. Mountain is a natural thing. Okay. Mountain is a natural thing. Water is a natural thing. We all are using water. You all are using water for drinking, for cleaning, for everything we are using water. So, the main sources of water. What is the main sources of water? Rain is the main sources of water. So, here you can see what is this? This is a waterfall. This is a waterfall. So, what is this? These are flowers. These are flowers. We all like flowers. We all like flowers. We all love flowers. But shall we pluck the flowers? No, we don't have to pluck the flowers. No. So, we should take good care of plants and trees. We should take good care of plants and trees as well as animals also. This is a butterfly. This is a butterfly. We all love to see butterfly, no? When it is flying, we all want to catch the butterfly. And what we do after catching the butterfly? We just tear out their wings, and that is very bad because they are also a living thing. They have life in them. So, we don't have to use their freedom, their life. We don't have right to end their life, and we are not supposed to do that. So, we should learn that we don't have to hurt animals because they are also having the life. We use the wings of peacock. We use the wings of peacock for a decoration materials, for we like the colorful wings, but no, it hurts them. It hurts them. As you, if you are having a pain, if someone teases you, then you are also having pain. Then think about that animals. Think about that animals whom you are teasing. They are only also feeling pain, but they are not able to say you. They are not able to say you. They are not able to express their pain. You are having your mouth to explain. You can open your mouth and say, I'm having pain. Don't do that. I'm having pain. But they can't say that. I'm having pain. No. And that is very bad. We should understand everybody. We should understand everybody, whether they are animals or plants. Plants have also life in them. If you are plucking their leaf, they are also having pain, as well as animals also. You are plucking their wings, so they are also having pain. You don't have to do that. That is very bad. We should take care of animals also because they only made our nature. Plants, animals, flowers, no, plants, trees, flowers, they are also only making our environment. They are the natural things. We can't produce them. We can't produce plants and animals. This is the natural thing. We can produce man-made things, but we can't produce natural things. So we should take care of, if we are using the things, then we should take care of, no? We should take care of the things which we are using. So nowadays what we humans do, we just kill the animals just for ourselves, just for our money, and this hurts them. We kill them, and that is not good. For our use, for our self-being, for our money, for our needs, we are killing them, and that is very bad. As you are a living being, they are also a living being. So you are a natural, you are a part of nature only. Humans are a part of nature only. You are also a part of nature. Animals are also a part of nature. So we should take good care of plants as well as animals, If we are taking good care of ourselves, we should take good care of animals also. Can you see this picture? What is in this picture? A squirrel is here. We look, no? It is so pretty. We want to catch them. But what they do? They see us and they went away, far away. They ran away. So what is this? Can you see? This is the king of jungle. This is tiger. Nowadays, tiger are decreasing in the number. Why? Because we humans only kill them. We sell them. And that is very bad for the nature also. Because they are only the main components of nature. So, animals are the main sources of forest only. They are only caring of forest. Okay. So, these are the animals which we can see. Okay. So, now what nature gives us? They are giving us wood. And that we use for making our home. And what our house protect us from? Our house protect us from heat, rain, cold, and thieves also. They are protecting, our house protect us from many things. So what is the main component of your house? Wood. Wood is the main component of your house. So we are taking wood from forest only. Medicines. From where you get medicines? You are getting medicines from plants. Plants gives us medicine. When you are sick, when you take medicine. When you are sick. If plant will be not there, then from what will we will make medicines? We are making medicines from plants only. Food, cereals. We eat cereals. Rice, maize, grams. We eat cereals, no? So from where we are getting cereals? From plants. Plants and animals are the main sources of food. Plants are giving cereals to us. We eat cereals. We eat rice, dal, chapati. We are eating, no? And then vegetables. We are eating vegetables, no? Vegetables are good for health. Many of your students don't want to eat vegetables, but it is very healthy. You have to take in your diet. If you want to grow, if you will not eat, then what will happen? You will not grow, no? So you have to take proper food, vegetables, green vegetables. You have to take in your diet. Good vegetables you have to take. All vegetables are good. Some of you have your favorite vegetables. Fruits. We all love fruits. Okay, we all love fruits. Some of us having a particular fruit, favorite fruit. That maybe your favorite fruit is apple, another your friend favorite fruit is maybe lychee, maybe mango. So we are different and our likes are also different. So fruit is the, we also have to take fruits, we also have to take fruit in our diet. So it makes us healthy, it makes us healthy. So this was how, what we get from nature. And now our topic is how we harm nature. How we harm nature. Nature is giving many things to us, our basic needs it is giving. But what we are doing with nature, what we are doing with nature, we are making it unhealthy, we are making it unfit, we are destroying the nature by throwing waste here and there. See, you can see in this picture, no, garbage is there, too many wastes are there. That is polluting our soil only. That is pollute, that will make, that will produce a disease. For whom? For us only. For us only. We are throwing our things here and there, here and there. We are wasting it. So who, the things will hurt whom? These things will hurt us only. These things will hurt us only. Why it will hurt only? Because we are only using it, no? We are only using it. We are throwing here and there, and throwing here and there will produce diseases, will produce diseases. So what we have to do? See, here you can see a tree is crying, a tree is crying. We have, what we are doing, we are cutting trees. It is a home of birds, it is a home of animals. No, forest is a home for animals. You are living in your house, you don't have problem. If forest is cutting, you don't have problem, you don't have any problem, no. But who is facing this problem? Birds are facing this problem. Trees, we are cutting trees and that hurt them. They are also feeling pain. So what we are doing with our water also, water is a necessary thing, our main thing. And what we are doing with water, we are making the water also dirty. We are making the water dirty for our use only. We are using the water randomly, we are using, theoretically we are using, but it spoil the water. This is water pollution. We are throwing our garbages in the water only. The smoke coming out from the factories, then it is mixed up with surrounding. It is mixed up with surrounding, and nowadays you can see many smoke problem, no, many air problem, breathing problem, asthma, all are having the disease asthma. This is the breathing problem. The problem, in this problem, you are not, you can't breathe, you can't breathe properly. So it is because of us only, because we are making the air dirty, our water dirty. No, in tank we are using the clean water, but think of that person that don't have water, that don't have clean water, they are used to drink this water only. So this is not good, that we are using good water and we are making the water dirty, we are destroying the environment. Tree cutting. Nowadays we are cutting trees, many trees we are cutting. Why we are cutting many trees? For making our house, for making chair, for making table, no? Many things in your house you can see. We are cutting trees for that only. Many things, wooden things you can see. Table, chair, no? Bed, sofa. These are made up of trees. These are made up of trees. We are destroying the forests. We are destroying the forest. Trees, many trees we are destroying just for our use. Just for our use. We are cutting the trees for cleaning the land, to make just house. We are making the earth unhappy. We are living on earth. We are living on earth. This is the picture of your earth. We are living on earth, no? But see, earth is happy. No, earth is not happy. because we are destroying it. See, we are destroying the land also. Okay, we are destroying the land also by throwing wastage here and there. We are destroying air also by smoke, industrial smoke. No, industrial smoke is there. And we are destroying water by throwing the garbages in that only, the wastage of industries we are throwing there only. So we are making the earth unhealthy for us only. So which side do you like? This side, the destroyed part, or this, the greenery part? We all like to be in fresh water, be in having fresh water, having fresh air. No, but we are making making dirty only. So what we have to do? Here are the 10 steps for that. 10 ways you can help the earth. Turn off the lights. We are not use of switch off the light after the use, but we have to use that manner, that we have to switch off the light, switch off the things after using it. Clean up the trash, the dust things, the wastage things. You have to clean that surrounding. Plant a tree. Planting is main thing. Use the sun energy, solar energy. You have heard that, solar energy, solar cooker, solar light, many things are known as solar fan. Walk more, ride less. Walk more, ride less means don't take bikes and all, because it creates the pollution. So what was in the first point? Plant trees. If we are cutting one tree, we should plant 10 trees. We should plant 10 plants, 10 trees. Because if we are destroying one tree, then we should plant 10 trees for our future. You didn't plant the tree. Your father planted or your grandfather had planted, and then you are eating that plant food, that tree fruits. So if you will now plant a tree, then your grandchildren will eat. We are planning for future. And we are planting tree for them. If we will cut all the trees at a one time only and we will not plant the trees, what will happen? After 3-4 years, we don't have any tree. We will have breathing problem. So what is the solution for that? Planting trees. What is the solution for that? Planting trees. So we should plant trees. For our future use. If we will not plant trees, now we are eating fruits. Now we are eating mango placed in your garden. But after 1-2 years, if your father will cut that mango tree, from where you will get mango tree? If you have not planted for future use, then what will you eat? Will buy and eat. So for that only we should plant trees for our use only. It will help us only. We should plant trees for our use only. Our grandfather planted tree for us. Then you are eating the fruits. So you have to plant the trees for your future use. So if we will plant now, we are planting a small seed or small plant. After 1-2 years, this plant will grow and grow, and after 4-5 years it will become tree, and that time it will give you fruit. That time only it will give you fruit. So now you have to make hard work. You have to plant a tree. It is necessary. You can plant a tree in your garden. In your garden you can plant, no? You can plant any tree. See, I am suggesting you that you can plant one plant on your birthday. No? You can plant, no? That is good, no? So, World Nature Conservation Day. So, when we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day? When we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day. So, this is the picture of nature. This is the picture of nature. We are holding the nature. We have to take balance. We have to take balance for that. We are only the person that can take care of our surrounding, our nature. Animals can't take care of nature because they don't have mind, no, they don't have brain. We are having brain. And when we are celebrating nature day, World Nature Conservation Day, we are celebrating on 28th July. 28th July, we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day. What is the meaning of conservation? To protect. To protect. Okay. Save the water, save the life. World Water Day. World Water Day. Save the water. What we are doing? We are wasting water. If you are brushing your teeth, you are wasting water. More than you use. More than you use. Save forest, save trees. They will save you. If you are saving water, if you are saving forest and trees, they will only save you. If you will not save trees, then what will you face? You will face breathing problems. You will face breathing problems only. If plants are not there, you will not get fresh air, you will not get fresh oxygen. Then what will happen? You will have the breathing problems. You will have the breathing problems. We have to save animals also. We have to save animals also because they are also balancing the nature. They are also balancing the nature. World Animal Day. World Animal Day. There is each day for everything. There is each day for everything. Okay. We are celebrating a particular day for that. The main conclusion, our conclusion is we love nature. We love nature. We are living in nature. We are using natural things. We are dependent on that. So we have to use natural things properly. Thank you.